Hey guys, this is that small account. We're growing it. Uh, we took Nas 100 for a buy. It's a very volatile trade, but man, we up 47 bucks, man. So this is actually day number 3 trading in this small account. So we're trying to grow it. Thank you. We're trying to grow it to 500 bucks. Then we're gonna move on to making it to 1,000. Then we're gonna take it all the way to the moon from there. So I'll once I stop it, I'm actually gonna close it out probably once it hits 50 bucks. And actually I might keep it going. You know what? I'm gonna keep it going and I'll let you guys know the results. So I'll pause it for a little bit and come back and check it back in with y'all later. All right, thanks. Bye. All right, guys, I'm back. It's just hit the $50 mark. I'm gonna stay with it for a little bit, and it's not, it doesn't seem like it's trying to pull back or anything. Let's take a look at it real quick. That ain't it. Let's see something right fast. Chart. Let's see. So that's on the 15-minute. I think we still good. I think it's gonna hit my TP. I'm gonna go ahead on. It's on a good uptrend. So hey, we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see what it do, guys. So I'll be right back. Let's see. Let's go check it out real quick. Still at 48. So I'm back. Steady FX. What's good? So trying to make it up there, guys. So like I said, you can grow a small account, man. Don't let anybody tell you you can't grow a small account. If you've been following me, you'll know that this is a small account, what I started with. And I'm trying to show you guys that this can be done. All right? It can be done, guys. It's not fake. Forex is, if you do it correctly, you can profit off of it, okay? So don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I'll be back. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back again. So show y'all it's a real account, still the same account. So it went up. It's going up and down a little bit. It's nothing that I need to panic about. So in a little pullback right here on the 15-minute. So like I said, I'm gonna ride that thing to the TP and let it do what it do. So video purposes, man, what I might do for y'all, like I told y'all, if you have a profit, just take the profit. So I'm gonna take this. Actually, this is what I'm gonna take this profit and I'm gonna get in again. And look at my lot size, y'all. 0.03. I'm not even going heavy on this thing, and I made 50 bucks already in less than 25 minutes. This was a 25-minute trade, so it's about 50 bucks. So, well, a little, almost 60 bucks. That sucker still pumping, man. It's pumping. I'm telling y'all. So I'm going to lay up there, and I'm gonna go ahead on. I'm gonna close it out. So remember my TP, 12,140. I might even push it up to 12,200. So I'm gonna take my profit. I'm going to close the order, close with a profit, and I'm going to get back in again, and I'm going to keep my profit, right? So what I'm going to do is, let me take this down 1, and what did I say, y'all? 12, see, it was almost to it anyway, so I'm going to go 12,300, okay? 12,300. And I'm going to go with the buy. All right. And I'll let y'all know on the next video where we at. We were only 225 bucks away from getting this $99 or $96 account to 500. So hopefully we can do it, man. This is hard though. It's not easy, man. You gotta be disciplined. We take some L's, but they're not big L's. So those losses that we get, they're not that big. You can recover from that. So you have to, but you gotta be disciplined, man. You gotta take your profit. That's why I took that 50 something bucks, just because I ain't trying to, I ain't trying to lose it. I ain't trying to, real account, y'all. Real account. It's live. It's live. Same account. Make sure y'all see it. Remember, take a screenshot. I don't care what you do. Just remember, this is what we trying to do. I'm trying to show y'all that this can be done, okay? Because a lot of people are saying, I can't make money on Forex. I can't do it. Well, you don't have the right teacher, first of all. Everybody claim to be teaching. Everybody claim to be this and that. But you got to have the right teacher. I mean, I think I'm the right teacher. Matter of fact, I know I am, but I ain't. That's on you. Whatever floats your boat. Go with who you feel comfortable with. But you also gotta have discipline, man. Above teaching, you gotta have discipline. You can lose money. It's a risk, but you can minimize that if you have discipline and the right teacher. Okay. So look, make sure you guys like the video. Hit that bell so you can get alerts when the next video comes out, and subscribe. I'm trying to get 500 followers so I can start sending y'all some money to put in y'all broker account, man. I'm gonna help y'all fund that. 500, 5 people get $100. Let's get it. Steady 3-1 FX. I'm out. Hey, what's up, guys? So look, remember we made 53 bucks today. This is just today's profit. This is still the same account. Look, check it out. Wow. Remember, I went back in at 12,300. Y'all remember the last video? Hit rewind. Go check it out. Actually, just hit rewind because I'm putting them all together. Anyway, so we made what? 53 plus 45. That's almost $100 off of this small account in one day. Still going up. This is the M15. Let's see what's up on the M30. Oh yeah, sweet. Look at that. Can't beat that, man. I can't make this stuff up, man. Can't make this stuff up, guys. I mean, you can do some things and change lives with Forex, man. Please don't let anybody tell you that you can't make money with this. Please. Just show them my videos, man. Just tell them to call me. Tell them to hit me up on Instagram at steady31fx. Just tell them, just do that, man, because I got some things to tell them and show them. Trust me. Trust me. And we're going to hold that thing, man. I told y'all we was going to hold it. I'm going to hold it. And then, to next video, if I can we can make a quick 180, man. We done made 500. We made that $500 mark that we was trying to get to off of a $97 account. I can't make it up, man. Y'all seeing this. Y'all coming with me for real. So, check back with your boy later. Peace. Hey, yo, what's up, guys? Look, I'm back. So, that sucker did a nice little pullback. Not really a pullback. The candlestick is still show blue, but like I said, when I see that, I was up about 50 bucks, and then it went down to like 30 something. I waited. It went to 27. So I went on and I took the profit. Okay, so that account, now we're at 305.11. Excuse me, hold up. There you go. So 305.11. See, that's the real account. 305.11 is where we at. It might go back up, but man, I'm good for the day. That's 80 bucks for the day off of a small account. Take that. Take your wins, because eventually you'll be able to raise your lot size, and that $80 account, that $80 day is going to turn to $160 day. Grow your account again to another level, and you raise your lot size again, and that $160 day turn into a what? $320 day. Think about it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Steady 3-1 FX. I'm out.